In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Mailchimp. Whether you're designing a marketing campaign, a newsletter, or simply tweaking your existing content, knowing how to modify image sizes can be vital for maintaining an attractive and professional layout. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to mailchimp.com and enter your credentials. Once signed in, navigate to the campaign you want to work on. If it's a new campaign or an existing one, you should find it in your dashboard. Click on it to open it, and then look for the option that says Edit Design. Now that you have the design editor open, focus on the image block containing the image you want to resize. Click on that block. You'll notice that as soon as you do this, an image editing toolbar appears. This is where the magic happens. Resizing the image is straightforward. If you want a quick resize and you're not concerned about exact dimensions, you can simply drag the corners of the image. This will resize the image proportionally, ensuring that the aspect ratio remains intact. However, if you prefer more precision and know the exact dimensions you want, you can use the width and height fields located in that same toolbar. Just enter the numbers that fit your needs and the image will adjust accordingly. If maintaining the correct aspect ratio is critical, especially when manually dragging the image size, you can hold down the Shift key while you drag. This little trick can help ensure that your image doesn't warp and maintains its intended proportions. It's worth mentioning that some editors might have this as an optional feature, so your experience might vary slightly. And there you have it. By using these simple tools within Mailchimp, you can effortlessly resize images to suit your campaign's visual aesthetics. Ensuring your images are the right size not only helps with loading times, but also gives your campaign a polished look. Make sure you save your changes once you're satisfied with the alterations. That's it for today's tutorial. With these instructions, you should be able to resize any image in Mailchimp confidently and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your campaign designs even more impactful. If you have any further questions or need additional clarity, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for help. Happy designing!